Hello everyone, I'm doing a repair in the Model X with a front end crash, and I'm replacing these crush cans, and this is an extremely difficult task on the Model X Legacy 2016 to 2020. I'm not sure about the 2021 up to date, but this is a difficult task to replace the crush cans on the front end. You have to undo everything in the front, drain the coolant, remove the air conditioning, remove basically everything on the way. And these are heavy duty aluminum. There's welds on it which are not they're permanent, but they're removable. And there's this adhesive that is a structural adhesive. It's super hard adhesive, something like caulking, but super hard. And then they have a lot of hex, Torx 50, I believe. A lot of Torx bolts around, 1, 2, and then there's one under there, one underneath. There's like 3 inside, and you have to gain access to all that. I don't know what that is, but you have to remove it. I already worked my way out on this side. I removed most of them. There's still one underneath I haven't reached. There's this weld. This is a crush can aluminum. I'm gonna have to hit it up or grind it off, but this is in the way. Maybe torched it. Have to remove every single thing, even the suspension. If you're doing the under what is it called, the undercarriage front end, this is also a difficult task, but you can do it from under. But this one is busted too, so this is hard as hell too, but not as difficult as this. Or this one, there's a bolt right there, my fingertip. Can't even see it, but it's below that thing. So I'm gonna have to undo this front motor mount. That's a front. So it's super difficult to do this replacement. Then you have to weld it, put it back in, and assemble all this mess. And then look on the side, there's a lot of bolts here too. I just removed one of those Torx. There's like a plate right here that holds all these things, and these are the crush cans. That's a part number. So if you're not like getting a great deal on the Model X, I'll say to avoid it. I got this one for $13,000. It's a 2020. This is a long range plus with full self-driving. That's why I'm doing all this, because it's a great car. It's in great shape. Everything's working from this panel to the back is great, perfect condition. All the mess was in the front. I had to remove the fender because it was bad too, but these things are the pain in the butt. I'm gonna have to pull them, but this is in jack stands, so it's gonna be difficult task to lower it down. And then because I'm doing this at home, but this is a pain in the butt. Make sure if you're buying one, make sure these are not busted. Maybe if this is bent or something like that, or just a crush can in the front, the fender right here, you could weld it, because that's metal, this is aluminum. Or maybe straighten it a little bit, but this one is busted real bad, both of them. So just a FYI, this is a mess, but this is a great car. This is a $50,000 and this clean title. $50,000 car for 13 is worth it to all this mess, but it is a mess to do all this. This goes under the chiller, goes under here. Just get it out of the way, because I'm gonna torch the hell out of that and pull them out, and then weld everything back together. I already got my parts car, which is over there. That one has no body, just the body. Okay, anyway, so I'm doing this. But just FYI, this the under suspension frame is not as much as difficult, because it can be done everything from underside. There's the bulge right there, and then this one right there, that one goes to the battery, so you want to have to cut that one out and put it a new one. But these, the crush cans and the Model X Legacy, are a pain in the butt. Please FYI and like and subscribe. Unless you're getting a great deal, get it, but expect to put maybe a 40 or 60 hour more than that if it's on your own, or if it's a shop, probably less, because a couple guys can do all these things. But just FYI. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe.